Hey everyone, in this video we're talking about the RedotPay Crypto Card, a card that lets you spend your crypto like cash. Let's go step by step. First, what is RedotPay? It's a debit card linked to the RedotPay app. You load it with crypto, and when you pay at a store or online, RedotPay instantly converts your crypto into local currency. The shop gets paid in cash while you spend your crypto. Now here's how to use it. So you got to download the app and complete verification, then deposit your crypto in the wallet, convert some of it into a card balance, use your RedotPay card anywhere, Visa or MasterCard is accepted, tap, swipe or enter the card number online. That's it, simple and fast. RedotPay also supports multiple coins and some cards even give cashback rewards. But there are a few things to remember. Conversion fees and exchange rates can change. Your balance may go up and down with crypto prices, and the availability depends on your country. So who's it for? If you want to actually spend your crypto on everyday things, this is coffee, groceries, online shopping. This card makes it super easy. If you only hold your crypto as an investment, you may not need it. So to wrap it up, RedotPay bridges crypto and real world. Load your wallet, top up your card, and pay anywhere like you would with a regular debit card. So would you use your crypto for daily purchases or keep it saved as an investment?